The location is very good. The hotel has all you need around it. Supermarkets, mall, metro, hair salon, restaurants, mosque, the Marina view etc. Staff are friendly and efficient. Pam the receptionist was outstanding in her duties.
Pool
The room's
area. Pool is not big but good. There is also a jacuzzi. There is enough of sunbeds. The sun shines all day to pool. Hotel offers beach/pool towels. Breakfast is good. We had good view from window to the marine and
Thanks
a little
first
balcony.
of all to make our trip easier, and the location was perfect beside the beach. JBR, the Villa 2 which was our reservation was 9 out 10 big villa for adults.
The gym is less than basic to the degree that you can say there is no gym. The pool was occupied by kids the whole time, so I don't know if there was something special on that week, or it is due to the nature of the guests who are mostly families.
I called up to hotel to check if they can assist me with booking because I had some problem with my credit card. The guy answer the phone, he offer me rate which is 3x higher than online rate. I request him for help but he said no, I can give you that rate and bang the phone.
Apartment was big and spacious but smelled really bad when we arrived. Noticed a dripping noise from bathroom at 12 a.m., then realized ceilings in both bathrooms were leaking. One from the light which is dangerous, one from above the bath.